drop our bags, and then we're gonna go explore. So you can see here we're in room 2117 for the week. So we will drop our bags here. Hello there, and welcome to our home here for the next 9 days aboard the Celebrity Equinox. This is rooms 2117, and this is an Aqua Sky Suite. As you can see here, this is a nice big open floor plan layout with a nice queen size bed, which is 2 twins pushed together. We have a sofa over here that pulls out into a bed as well if you've got little ones with you. There's nice seating here. See, as we arrived, there's a nice bottle of Prosecco, as well as some chocolate covered strawberries. There's a good sized television. As you step out here, you can see we've got a really nice sized balcony. This here, we've got a table with 2 chairs, as well as a lounge chair here on the opposite side. There's plenty of cabinets in this room. The television, we probably won't use this for the entire 9 days. We're not big TV people, but you've got plenty of storage here in these drawers. You've got cabinets here, and you've got a mini fridge here. And because we're in a Sky Suite or Aqua Sky Suite and the retreat, this is a fully stocked mini fridge. So you can see here, we've got water and beer and sodas, but we can request whatever we want in there. In addition to that, we've got a nice desk space here. If you need to get some work done, you can do that. Got some waters, an ice bucket. Hey y'all, if this video has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like and subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it. And then over here, we've got the bathroom. So you can see in here, sometimes in stateroom bathrooms, they can be pretty cramped. This is actually not too bad. You can sit here and do your thing without it being too cramped. You got plenty of space over here. So this is the shower. This is a bathtub and shower combination. And so you've got nice horizontal space here to like do your thing. There is no glass that slides, but the curtain does slide shut. It opens up to keep the water in the shower. You've got a nice shower head from the top, as well as a wand that you can use. So whether you want the shower head or the rain shower or the shower wand, you've got either of those options. You've got this really nice CO Bigelow shampoo, conditioner. Let's see, yep, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then you've got 3 mirrors over here and a nice pedestal sink. You've got 4 drawers plus a couple of cabinets here. You've got a trash can right here, but all the toiletries you need, everything you need here in the bathroom, and it is a good size space. Beyond that, in these cabinets here, so you can see these pull out. Because this is Aqua Sky Suite, they've actually provided us with yoga mats. I'll be honest, we're not gonna use those, but it's a nice touch, I guess, if that's your thing. You've got life jackets here up top, and all of these lights turn on when you open the drawers. On this side, you've got a safe over here. So this is a pretty good sized room safe. You could probably fit a laptop in here if you want one. And then you've also got some additional shelves in here. And then you've got an open wardrobe space here on the left side to hang your clothes. So overall, this is a really nice space. You've got on the side here, each side has its own nightstand with 2 drawers. And I'll be honest, looking around the room, I think really my only complaint, and it's not a huge one, but typical for a lot of cruise ships, is if you come over here and look here, these are the only plugs I see in the room. So we've got 2 American outlets, 1 European outlet. This turns the lights on and off for the room, but those are the only outlets we have for the entire room. So some more modern cruise ships are a bit more generous with their outlets. There's not a whole lot here. We'll make do with what we have. We always bring a bunch of battery packs so that we can charge things overnight, because we know that odds are we're not gonna have something beside the nightstand, but we're gonna make do with what we have, and that'll be that. But this is a really nice space. It'll be a great place for us to call home for the next 9 days. We're excited to be here. We're excited to share it with all of you. Again, this is Evan with Mackenzie here at Family at Sea, and this is room 2117, an Aqua Sky Suite here on the Celebrity Equinox.